See, the main thing is the Joggers Park Phase 2 is set for inauguration around the third week of November. And if you recollect, this is one of the best parks in entire Goa. We have added so many new facets. So therefore, the expanded version or the new version of the new Joggers Park at Chikalim is going to be inaugurated by Honorable Chief Minister somewhere around the third week of November. And in that direction, I took a review of all that is to be done, works which remain a little bit incomplete, the nitty-gritties of commissioning all the new facets which have been introduced here. And I for one want to say that I am very much satisfied with the work that has gone on, the greening that has gone on, particularly the greenery which is centered around waste water from sewage, which through the WOW plant is coming through a pipeline for watering at Joggers Park. So this is going to maintain the greenery. In the past, there used to be complaints that drinking water is being used for the gardening. How can that be done? And yes, they were right. So now, out of the waste water, around almost 60 to 80,000 liters, we are going to get this water which can be used for watering, which can be used for everything, every purpose except drinking. On 19 December, as you are aware, when the parade takes place on Goa's Liberation Day, it is right here besides the Joggers Park. After the parade and official ceremony is over, always last 3 years we have been flagging off the vintage car rally. This year, my friend Mr. Babu Kamath is there. All his colleagues have been supportive of having the vintage car rally once again after the official ceremony is over, where there would be more participants coming from all over the country and perhaps from different places where they have never come before with better vintage cars. Now, what we have decided is these cars will be flagged off not from any other venue, from the Joggers Park venue itself, so that it looks awesome